Top 3 health benefits of coffee. Coffee is one of the most popular beverages in the world, and for good reason. Coffee has been shown to have numerous health benefits, including improved brain function, reduced risk of cancer and stroke, and lower rates of depression. So, what are the health benefits of coffee? Let's take a look. Improved brain function. One of the most well-known benefits of coffee is that it can improve brain function. Coffee contains caffeine, which is a stimulant that can help to increase alertness and improve focus. Caffeine has been shown to improve memory, reaction time, and attention span. Reduced risk of cancer and stroke. Coffee has also been linked to a reduced risk of cancer and stroke. Studies have shown that coffee drinkers have a lower risk of developing skin cancer, prostate cancer, and breast cancer. Coffee has also been shown to reduce the risk of strokes. Lower rates of depression. Coffee has also been associated with lower rates of depression. Studies have shown that coffee drinkers are less likely to suffer from depression than those who do not drink coffee. This may be due to the fact that coffee contains antioxidants, which can protect the brain from damage. So there you have it, the health benefits of coffee. If you're looking for a delicious and healthy drink, coffee is a great option. Do you have any other questions about the health benefits of coffee? Let us know in the comments below. Thank you for watching. I hope you liked the video. Comment your thoughts down below. Subscribe to the channel and share this video to a coffee lover friend.